Hey everyone, Jake here for American Trucks, and in this video we're taking a look at these pre-painted MMD OE style fender flares fitting 2019 and newer Silverado 1500s. These are a great upgrade or replacement for your Silverado. They're perfect for the owner who's looking to add a bit of extra visual appeal, but wants to keep things looking clean and factory fresh. They also come right out of the box, painted and ready to go, making this about as easy a setup as you can get. If your truck is looking a little plain or you just want to add that extra bit of visual appeal, these might just be the right choice for you. What we have here is a full set of 4 flares, 2 front and 2 rear, though I only have one of each up on the table to give you an example because all 4 of them simply aren't going to fit up here. The idea here is that these are going to give your Silverado just that extra beef and width to make the truck just that much wider. And these are great if you're fitting some wider wheels and tires, and they sit pretty flush to the body of the truck. They don't stick out too much like pocket style flares or some of those big ones that are out there on the market. They keep things relatively subdued, so if you're not going wild on your wheel fitment and you just want a little extra coverage or something that's going to differentiate your truck from all the other ones out there, these will do the trick for you. They give you just that extra bit of coverage to protect the body of your truck against damage and debris too, because these are going to cover up the metal. But it's not going to be overboard, and perhaps the best part is that they come paint matched and ready to go. Now if you like that monochromatic appearance, these are definitely the right way to go. You can select them in your factory paint color. As opposed to the matte black or the typical black plastic of most fender flares that we see, these give more of that premium appearance and it elevates the overall look of your truck. Now, if you want to go a little bit nuts, you can also order them in a contrasting color, which is kind of exactly what we did here. So these are the gloss black that you would find on a black Silverado, and on our red hot 1500. Honestly, I think it looks pretty great. And if you want to do something even more wild, maybe you've got a white or a silver truck, you want to go black, you want to go red or North Sky Blue or something like that, the possibilities are kind of endless, though most of you who are watching this are probably going to pick either black or your actual paint color. Either way, you've got some options here, and again, they come right out of the box pre-painted and ready to go, which is awesome because that means you can just stick them right on. The flares here are constructed from polyurethane, making them lightweight and strong. And they were designed using OEM CAD data from GM, so they're designed to fit perfectly on your truck. That paint is also OE quality, and they're gonna utilize factory paint and clear coat for a near perfect color match. Installation is also simple too because they come with automotive grade double-sided tape already installed on the back, so this is basically just a peel and stick operation, but we'll touch more on that in a moment. Pricing here will vary a bit depending on what color you choose, so expect to spend anywhere from about $550 up to $900. And while that's not exactly inexpensive, buying flares and then having them painted would likely end up costing you even more than that. And these, again, are ready to go right out of the box, so it's still a value proposition. So if you want to get your truck back to looking factory fresh, or you're going for that OEM Plus look with your build, these are an easy and effective way to accomplish that goal. Installation gets a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you around 2 hours to complete. Again, these are a peel and stick operation with that tape already pre-installed, so they're about as simple as you can get. However, you will need to do some prep work to make sure the surface is clean and ready for that adhesive to get a good stick. MMD also includes adhesive promoter, which we highly recommend you use just to make sure that these are going to stay on your truck no matter what. We're going to walk you through that process right now though, so for that, let's head on out to the shop.
For this install, you will need the provided grease pencil, some alcohol prep pads, the provided adhesion promoter, and the provided silicone sealant. Also not shown here is a caulk gun. What's up guys, today we're gonna be doing some fender flares on our Silverado, so let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start out by installing our front flare. Now you wanna grab your flare, you wanna keep the cover on your adhesive backing. We're gonna mock this up and see where it's actually gonna sit so we can clean that area and apply our adhesion promoter. So we've got our supplied grease pencil and our flare. I'm gonna get this lined up. You may have to work around for this, or if you have an extra set of hands to hold the whole thing, that'll be good too. But as long as it gets centered, we'll take our grease pencil, make a few marks around the flare, on the outer edge. Good idea of where it's going to sit. Now that we have this marked out, we'll pull our flare off and we'll wipe this whole area down with our alcohol prep pads and then come back with our adhesion promoter and get ready to install our flare. All right, so we've got some alcohol prep pads. Now these don't come with the kit, so you will need some of these, or you can get some isopropyl alcohol and a rag or something like that. Preferably a microfiber so it doesn't leave any fibers or any stragglers along the way. And we're gonna wipe the area inside of where we marked with our grease pencil. Just make sure that's fully cleaned. Now your kit does come with adhesion promoter. However, since this is not going to be permanently installed on our truck, we're not going to use this for demonstration purposes because this does work really well and it's going to really make it hard to get these off. So what you would want to do at home is after your alcohol has dried, you want to grab your adhesion promoter and apply that around the area where your flare is going to go. Then once you have that applied, you can grab your flare itself. Now what you want to do is you can get your very end covers all the way off, but for your longer strips, you want to peel back a couple inches on each one, and then fold them to the outsides of your flare. You can crease them like so. And you can do that for all of your other strips. Just leave a little bit out of it so you can grab onto that, and this will help hold it in place as we fit it, but not adhere too much too quick. Now another thing that comes included with your kit is some polyurethane sealant. You will need a caulk gun to apply this. Again, for demonstration purposes, we're not going to include this step, but what you would want to do at home is get your caulk gun, get your sealant set up, and right on the inside of your adhesive strips, there's going to be small channels that you want to run thin layers of sealant around the entirety of your flare. It's going to help a weatherproof seal and help it stick along the way as well. So now once we have all that done, we're ready to install our flare. So we're going to get this lined up. A good reference point is the rear at your mudguard if you have it. Get this lined up. Get this back corner set in place. So now once you have your edges in place, we can begin to peel back our adhesive strip. Start with our bottom one. Get that out of the way. And we'll peel our top one back. Our inside edge, and we can firmly press flare on. You want to apply pressure all the way around it. Now once you have your flare firmly secured in place, we'll grab one more alcohol prep pad, or again isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber. Come back around. We can wipe off those grease pencil markings. So now once you have this one installed, the process is the exact same for your other three corners, so you can repeat these same steps for your other three flares. Alrighty guys, that about wraps up our review and install of our MMD OE style fender flares pre-painted for your 19 and newer Silverado 1500. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.